Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes and we check out great theories, concepts, and discoveries that you are probably not familiar with. The powers that be don't want you to know this stuff, and but it could really help you in terms of your quest for better spiritual, mental, and physical health. And this is a segment that we have called Your Blind Side, where I uh, try to protect the backs of the patriots out there, warn them about things that they may be missing, just try to use some of my experience. And if anybody's listening, then perhaps I can make some impact. Um, yeah, so I just, alert you to things that maybe you don't know about. But, today is going to be a huge day. Um, I'm pretty sure it's going to be something major happening today, whether it's this war or the related situation in Israel. Um, and, possibly some domestic situations having to do with corruption. Uh, I think the eyes are on California a lot as well. Um, it looks like kind of a devolution proof. First of all, that Trump came out and he was talking about Syria and how he felt like Syria should be more in charge of dealing with Hezbollah as opposed to Israel, because Israel is just too sloppy. They just demolish whole buildings, and you know, um, those people are total zealots. And um, the commentator I was listening to was a little bit disappointing because he just pointed out that the people that established Israel are not the same people who are featured in the Bible. And it's like, no, they're exactly the same people. The Khazars, you know, that started in Europe, Ukraine, in the 8th century, they maybe started with different intentions, pretty much forced conversion. It was a matter of pragmatism. They had to convert to one of the three Western religions, and they chose Judaism. I don't know why, but um, over time, they developed the ideas that are in the Bible. That's where they've gotten their zealotry from. But if you haven't read the Old Testament and look at all the carnage in there and all of the just utter, you know, um, uh, just us versus them kind of thing, where they're just rabid, um, and that's in the book, and so they picked it up from the book, and that's why they, believe that they can blow up a building because um, a building full of innocent people just to get one terrorist or whatever, because uh, you know, they believe it's justified because they're the chosen people, and these people are you know, um, uh, um, like barbarians. And, that's how it was in the Old Testament. All of these competitors to Yahweh, other gods, with a small g, Elohim, that's plural for God. Yahweh was one of the Elohim. So was Baal and Moloch and Shamash and Ashtoreth. But they were competitors to Baal, and he felt he was, superior to them, which he may have been because he at least stopped participating in human sacrifice and was now okay with just the animal sacrifice. So he had kicked one of his addictions, but you know they were rabid, and that's the same as the people there now. So it's not any different. But what is different is that there's some kind of a turnabout that's about to happen, a rug pull that's about to happen, and I think the people in that wretched desert country are starting to figure out that you know the commander in chief just kind of pulled out the rug from under them. He was talking about Syria today, and he mentioned that um, the new guy in Syria who replaced Assad um, during the Biden administration, um, Trump said, "I put him in there." The new guy, then he's doing a great job. He should be put in charge of dealing with Hezbollah. And he said, with along with Erdogan from Turkey, I put him in there. What the hell is he talking about? If he put him in there, how did he do that? If he wasn't even the president at the time, that would at least be a FARA violation, or something. Maybe there's another violation that would be, unless you have a devolution. So I think he's just pointing at the devolution. And then they were talking about Gavin Newsom, my namesake, with no E, and uh, CNN. Newsom was firing back against, saying that this is political retribution and it's nothing but a political ploy. And CNN actually reported that he was wrong and that the investigation started under the Biden administration, and starting from the California DA and or AG, and uh, that it started in 2024 or something like that. So this is another case where what would I don't know, I guess you could say Biden maybe was concerned about some competition or something like that, but that's not really reasonable. And then the other story from California is these B-52 bomber crash that killed 8 military members. That, I think, is pretty, I could be totally wrong, but I'm just kind of assuming that that was Mossad that did that. And that Mossad, they don't have very much power, but they do have enough power to pull off something like that. And that might have been a warning to Trump, or a message, you need to play ball with us or else we're going to do this every day, or something like that. But I think they may have, I won't say they shot their wad, but I don't think that they are capable of doing that, on a massive scale. But they know how to cause plane crashes, and that, you know, whatever, 7 out of 10 plane crashes are on purpose. But it could be something else too, because that whole military base, Edwards, I believe, is kind of a deep state stronghold, although I could be totally wrong about that. Um, and so, there might be something is uh, askew with that. There's definitely something that is not smelling right with that. So that'll be something to look out for in the future, see what happens with that. But whatever it is, I think it's going to be important. All right, like, share, subscribe, comment, contribute, and come back tomorrow for another episode of Your Blind Side. Remember to watch your blind side and have a wonderful day.